Alright, here we are at Neimen Marcus at the Galleria Mall. Vintage Otis elevators. They got modernized with Series 2 fixtures. We got this one right here. Indicator is still original. Gutter level. Got the original floor indicator. Alright, we're going to go to 3R. It opens over here, which this part of the wall is blocked off. Let's go on the GL. I wonder if I have classic leveling. Oh, but it does not. I can hear the relays in the back. This right here is where the phone box used to be. And these fixtures used to have the newer Lexan fixtures, I believe, because I rode these elevators when I was a kid, when they had Lexan. Alright, we're getting in the video at GL because there are a lot of people at one. It opens over there. Actually, we're going to take the other elevator. I'll let you listen to the relays clicking. Listen to this. Go in. You're welcome. There goes the relay. Alright, we're gonna capture the bell on this camera. You going up, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm just appreciating this wonderful elevators here. No, this does not go to the 4th floor, and it has that loud fan. What floor are you going?
Thank you so much.
You are definitely welcome, ma'am. What you hear in the back wall, those are the relays.
Oh, really?
This is a bottom drive traction elevator, is what I can tell of.
Oh, wow.
Alright, you have a good day, ma'am. It's so nice that the employees don't even care that we film the elevators. I believe the 4th floor used to be a store until they closed it down. Let's see if classic leveling. I don't think it does. It's just identical to the other elevator. I'm going to send this away. We're going to get the other elevator and try to capture that bell one more time without the footstep walking. Alright, we're going to send this up to 3. You going up? There's your Otis sign right there. Alright, we'll end the video at 1. Watch the button go out. Alright, I'm going to stop my camera here.